Hi there, Ivan and Sylvia here from the Lacroix Cruiser. We have a bit of news for everyone. We bought another bus, but not that one. That one. There we go, that one. So, let's go have a look. So it's a handyman special, just the way we like it. The paint, as you can see, is peeling a little bit on the side. So it needs our help, but hey, nothing we haven't done before, can't handle again.
Oh wow, oh wow.
So yes, it needs a little work, but we're no strangers to work. We've done this before. It's not a new thing for us. We got great windows. These are insulated windows or double pane windows. So lots of glass, so we'll be able to see outside. Great ceiling height. It's almost 7 feet, so lots of ceiling height there. But you know, great bus. Kitchen, we have nice cabinets, but not our style, so they're going to be going. If we take a look back towards the front, we got cabinets all around. If you noticed, or you may not have noticed, there's 5 air conditioners on this thing. Standard household fridge, which is always nice. Microwave. And back here is where they had started to re-renovate what they had. And we can see that the wiring is a little bit in a shambles. But hey, nothing, again, that we can't handle. Some good ideas. They had a false ceiling. That's how much height there is. And they have conduits inside that false ceiling, which is a really nice touch to bring all that wiring through. More wiring. There's beginnings of a pocket door here to separate, and a clawfoot bathtub. Not sure we're going to keep that one, but it's a nice idea nonetheless. A 45-foot bus makes a big difference, and this one is 102 inches wide compared to our current bus right now, which is 96 inches wide on the outside. When we measure it, since the walls are a lot more upright on this one, we have 96 inches at the floor, 95 inches at shoulder height, which is a little over a foot more than what we have at shoulder height in our current bus. So that really gives us a much larger feel, and the extra 5 feet in length makes a difference as well. The bays underneath, lots of space there. Let's go have a look. So like any good bus, ample storage. Lots of big bays. We currently have nothing taking up that space. In here, we have the fuel. Nice big tank, 227 gallons. We'll be able to get a few feet on that one. Battery compartment, and then the generator. Now, people who own this bus liked having electricity. This is a 19 kilowatt generator. We'll be able to power a small village with this. So if you're camping beside us at some point, you need electricity, just let us know. You'll be able to plug in. We'll have a spare 50 amp outlet probably. Going around to the back, has a Series 60 Detroit. So no more two-stroke, unfortunately. I love the sound of the two-stroke, love the history of the two-stroke. On this side, under the driver's compartment, a 4-gallon windshield washer jug. I think we're gonna have enough for a couple of days. A good size little compartment in there. We'll be able to put some tools, the emergency stuff. Here's the other side of those 2 large bays. You can see through to the other side. And here's the systems, the RV stuff, the fun things. So we have an Oasis hydronic heating module, made in Canada, great product, similar to an AquaHot, just slightly different. We have 2 Xantrex 4000 watt SW series inverter chargers. I think we're gonna have enough power that way. Behind those is where the house batteries live. It's a little, let's say, challenging to get to, but we'll be able to get there. Here are the tanks, the plumbing, and back in there we go. That's where the house batteries are. It's on the other side of the generator. So we're able to see a little bit of that. This area is heated as well because of the oasis, so the water never freezes. That's why it has a thermostat on the wall that you see there. And then we have all the plumbing connections and all that fun stuff here. So, well built, but we are going to be, renovating it, putting it to our own style. There's a few things we'd like to do just to make it more livable for us, seeing as we're going to be full timing as opposed to using it as an RV in the traditional sense. And there we have all 45 feet of this side. If we back up a little bit, we'll be able to see the 5 air conditioners on the roof. We'll be cutting that number down to 0 on the roof. We'll be going with mini splits. They're more efficient, easier to use for us, and a lot quieter as well. The goal is to be completely battery operated or solar, and with 45 feet of roof, solar will not be a problem. As always, if you have any comments, questions, suggestions, or anything else, leave it in the comments below. And please subscribe, maybe hit that notification bell, because we'll be renovating this and doing it on YouTube, on Facebook, and every other little social media thing we can get to, just to share the experience with everyone. Thanks a lot. Have a wonderful day.